So we're going to listen to a little bit of music. And if you would like to do this, I'd invite you to just start off by closing your eyes. And as you close your eyes, just to start to bring your attention to your breathing. Breathe right down into your stomach. Allow your diaphragm to expand. And hold your breath for a moment before releasing it. And just do this naturally. You've been breathing all day. Your body has been very helpful. It knows what it's doing. So just relax fully and just be aware of your breathing. Notice your breath. And as you breathe, check in your body for any tension or stress that might be present. Especially in your shoulders, your neck. And if you find any tension, just again bring your awareness and give yourself permission to relax that part of your body more. All over your body, your back, down your arms, throughout your legs, your fingers, your toes. And again, check for any stress and just gradually try to relax all the areas of your body. Always bring awareness back to your breath. If you notice your mind wandering, that's as it should be. Bring your awareness back to your breathing. In and out. Very gradually. And notice any of those thoughts that come along, any of those things you have on your to-do list, any of those overwhelming thoughts. And give yourself permission, just for these next 2 minutes, to allow them to pass by. And notice the stillness that is there when those thoughts come and go. And the more you do this, from time to time throughout your day, come back to this place of rest, come back to this place of stillness. And you will notice yourself being more energized, being more productive, but being more relaxed. And you will notice yourself accomplishing things easily without the need for stress. And we'll just take a few more deep breaths before we bring our meditation to a close. Nice and slowly, a few more deep breaths, not forced. Right down into your stomach. And in your own time, when you're ready, just bring your awareness back to your surroundings, into the room you're in. Hopefully, guys, you feel a little bit more relaxed, a little bit more centered in yourself. And thanks for joining me in this guided meditation. And if you would like any one-to-one sessions, you can contact me.